Hello, today I'm just going to be showing you how to use a Vernier caliper. So let's start by introducing the instrument. So here are the main jewels. They measure the external width of objects. Here are the secondary jewels. They measure the internal width of an object. And here is the tail, which measures the depth of an object or whatever you're measuring. Here is the main scale, and it can measure to 1 millimeter. So as you can see by the increment here. And here is the Vernier scale, so the namesake of this instrument, and it can measure to 0.02 millimeters. That's the finest degree of precision that we have on this instrument. I'm going to demonstrate the usage of it. So now I'm going to be measuring the external width or diameter of the head of this bolt. So first, let me get my Vernier caliper, untie this small bolt here, then take this, put it around the head of the bolt, tighten it. Alright, so now I've got the measurement. Tighten this just to ensure that our measurement is as accurate as we can keep it without getting an error. Okay, yeah, so this is the fundamental theorem of the Vernier caliper. It's the most important thing. Okay, so this 0 on the Vernier scale, right here, the last line on the main scale before it, or like on it, you should note down this value. The last line on or before the 0 on the Vernier scale, this value should be noted down, okay? So in this case, it would be 1.1 centimeters. Okay? So now, here comes the second part. Now we're measuring to the finest detail this instrument can. So what we're looking for is the first line that matches on this Vernier scale and on the main scale. So as you can see, the lines slowly converge to a point where the lines are fully matching up. So you want to look at this perpendicularly. The line lines up right here. So I'm going to say the measurement is 1 on this Vernier scale, which would mean that it's going to be 0.1 millimeters. So we have 1.1 centimeters plus 0.1 millimeters. That'll be 1.11 centimeters or 11.1 millimeters. Now we're going to be measuring the internal width of this cowl on the bolt. Okay, so first I take my caliper, take these secondary jaws and place them into this hole. Now extend them as far as possible. Okay, I'll show you from all angles. Okay, now take this out, fasten the bolt. Okay, now here comes the main part. Look at the main scale and the Vernier scale. Okay, the 0 comes just after the 0.4 on the main scale. So 0.4 is a value we should note down, 0.4 centimeters. Okay, so now here comes the second part. Let's look at where the lines align on this Vernier caliper. Okay, so look along and look for where the lines converge. 0.12. Okay, so 12 basically on this. So if I take the value before, 0.4 plus 0.12, it will be now I'm going to be measuring the depth of the cutout on this bolt. Okay, so if I get this Vernier caliper, slowly slide it across so I have a little protrusion of the tail. Now push it in so that it aligns most perfectly. Okay, I've got that. Now tighten this bolt just to maintain the accuracy. Now let's look at the main scale. The last line before the 0 is 0.3. So note down 0.3 centimeters. Now, as we go across, we're looking for the line that is perfectly aligned. 3. So on this, 3, so that means 0.3 millimeters plus 0.3 centimeters, which will be 3.3 millimeters or 0.33 centimeters. Thank you very much, and this is how you use a vernier caliper.